Morning, everyone. I am Siaram, your computer teacher from Lakshmi Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today I will discuss about basic Python. Okay, so firstly, I have discussed about the learning outcome. Here, the feature of Python and installing Python, types of error, variable, comments in Python, input statement in Python, application of Python, programming in Python, data types, Python keywords, Python operator, output statement in Python. Okay, so next here is the recap. Let us recap. Okay, if equal to 8 and b equal to b and c equal to 20, then write the output of the following expression. So I hope you can solve and you can write the output. Okay, output that means get the result after the processing. तो यहाँ आप लोग इसका आउटपुट निकाल कर आंसर करेंगे. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, व्हाट इज पाइथन. पाइथन क्या है? सबसे पहले जानेंगे कि पाइथन क्या होता है. पाइथन इज पॉपुलर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. इट वॉज क्रिएटेड बाई Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Okay, so I hope everybody know the programming. And what is the program? Program is the set of instruction is called programs. So and set of programs also known as the software. So do you know the programming that means the coding. Okay, and it is the process of creating a step by step instruction for computer using programming language like python. ओके, तो आपने देखा कि पाइथन क्या है. एंड नेक्स्ट, इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर. इसका यूज कहाँ कहाँ होता है. ओके, वेब डेवलपमेंट, सर्वर साइड. सेकेंड वन हियर software development, mathematics and system scripting. Okay, so I have discussed. Next topic, what can python do. python क्या कर सकता है. python can be used on server to create a web application. so already know python का जो यूज होता है वेब एप्लीकेशन को डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए होता है या क्रिएट करने के लिए होता है. पाइथन कैन बी यूज्ड अलोंग साइड सॉफ्टवेयर टू क्रिएट वर्क फ्लोज. दैट मीन्स पाइथन कैन बी यूज्ड अलोंग साइड सॉफ्टवेयर टू क्रिएट द वर्क फ्लो. दैट मीन्स द ये कई सॉफ्टवेयर से कनेक्ट करता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, पाइथन कैन बी कनेक्ट टू द डेटाबेस सिस्टम. इट कैन आल्सो रीड एंड मॉडिफाई फाइल्स. पाइथन कैन कनेक्ट टू डेटाबेस सिस्टम से कनेक्ट करता है. इट कैन आल्सो रीड एंड मॉडिफाई फाइल्स, और फाइल को मॉडिफाई करता है. मॉडिफाई दैट मीन्स चेंज एंड अल्टर द फाइल्स. फाइल इज कलेक्शन ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स. एंड डेटाबेस, व्हाट इज द डेटाबेस दैट मीन्स कलेक्शन ऑफ फाइल्स. एंड नेक्स्ट वन हियर, Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used, इसका जो प्रयोग होता है बिग डेटा को हैंडल करना एंड परफॉर्म कॉम्प्लेक्स मैथमेटिक्स, और कॉम्प्लेक्स मैथमेटिक्स को परफॉर्म करता है. So I have discussed according to your book Python. Python is a popular high-level programming language that can be used for wide variety of applications. Okay, Python is a popular high-level language that can be used for wide variety of applications. Okay, it is used a wide variety of applications. It was created by Guido van Rossum in the year 1991. So earlier I have discussed the it was created by Guido van Rossum in the year 1991. it is an open source application. So you have keep in mind it is open source application. That means Python user and anyone else have the ability to use the source code, and this source code use anyone. Okay, Python user can use. Okay, that means you can anyone can use this source code, modify it, that means alter or modify this source code, distribute their own version of programs, and distributes own version of the programs and may use the programs for any purpose and use any purpose. There is no license fee. Do you know there is no license fee or any restriction to the software. Okay, no fees, no charge, no restriction to the software. Okay, you can use this software. All version of Python are copyright under the GPL compatible license certified by the open source. All modern version of the Python are copyrighted under the GPL. Okay, compatible license certified by the open source. यहाँ की बात समझने की बात होगी, पाइथन के सभी जो मॉडर्न वर्जन है ओपन सोर्स द्वारा ओके प्रमाणित जीपीएल संगत की लाइसेंस के तहत कॉपीराइट संरक्षित है. ओके, सो एवरीबॉडी कीप इन माइंड ऑल modern version of Python are copyright under the GPLs. You have keep in mind. Okay, so I have discussed next topic, features of Python. Some of the features Python are follows. First is Python is open source Python is open source language and free cost. Okay, that means, do you know Python is open source language and free of cost. It is the open source software, do you know, and it is a free of cost. You can use, you can download from any website. Okay, no fee and no cost. Okay, second one, Python is easy to learn, code and implement. So everybody know Python is easy to learn, okay, and code and implement. Third one, Python is fast, flexible and portable. Okay, Python is fast and flexible and portable. Fourth, Python support multiple domain. That means Python support multiple domain. That means the web development, data science, data analysis, machine learning, AI, games development. Domain, that is multiple domain. That means the web development, data science, data analysis, machine learning, AI, games development. So I hope so everybody students learn what is the feature of Python. So earlier I have discussed what is Python, what can do Python, okay, why are use Python. So I have discussed here the introduction of the Python and what is the feature of Python here. So next topic, application of Python. Okay, so here, do you know application of Python? There are thousands of application of Python as it very easy to use and versatile language. Some of most common use of programming language are, okay, there are thousands of application of Python as it very easy to use. So do you know there are thousands of application used in the Pythons, okay, and versatile language. Okay, some of most common uses of programming language here. First is Python can be used to create the web application. You have keep in mind, okay, Python can be used, it is used to create the web application. Okay, so first basically use of the Python. Second one, Python can be used for AI development. Okay, Python can be used, it is used for the AI development. Do you know, you have studied about the AI in previous class. Third one, Python can be used to handle the complex mathematics. Okay, Python can be used, it is used to handle the complex mathematics. and it is used to solve the problems in mathematics. Fourth, Python can be used for rapid prototype or production ready to software developments. Okay, so everybody know the Python can be used for rapid prototype or for production ready software development. So you have keep in mind the production to ready software developments. Okay, so I hope so everybody students learn what is the use and what application of pythons. So I hope so everybody learn about the application of pythons. Okay, prototype that means a simple and readable syntax idea can be coded quickly. So you have keep in mind python can be used for rapid prototype that means simple and readable syntax ideas can be coded quickly or for production ready software developments. So I hope you have learned or understood about rapid prototype